Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Paulette, and today is Taco Tuesday, so it wouldn't be right if I didn't show you a low carb way of doing a margarita, because just because you're doing low carb doesn't mean that you don't want an adult beverage. So I have a little bit of tequila. I have some ice and some Tajín salt, and also pink Himalayan salt. Whatever your choice is. I rinse with some lime juice and it is ready to go. I'll put in my cubes of ice. Let's do a little shot of tequila. I think I'm doing this right. I'm not really a bartender. Tequila. And then we will put some of the simple syrup. So here's the simple syrup that I made. It's lovely. And I don't have any lime, so such is life. Let's see what we got here. Let me try it. Oh, I like the Tajín salt. Yeah. Oh, y'all. That's good. It's strong. That's pretty strong. But it's good. Have a great Taco Tuesday. See you guys next week.